If you're in the market for an affordable all-wheel drive sedan, the Subaru Legacy is one of the only games in town. This is the redesigned 2020 Subaru Legacy. While a good performer in CR's tests, the Legacy is often overshadowed in a sea of Toyota Camrys and Honda Accords. One of the hallmarks of past Legacies is excellent visibility. The redesigned Legacy has thin roof pillars and good glass area all around. From our initial look, it's clear that Subaru paid a lot of attention to fine interior details. The Legacy is available with an enormous 11.6-inch infotainment touchscreen, the largest ever in a Subaru. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. Subaru has a well-deserved reputation for offering a lot of safety equipment. We're pleased to see that forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking come standard on all models. The Legacy used to be offered with a smooth 6-cylinder engine, but now just two 4-cylinder models are offered, although one is turbocharged, a 2.4-liter that puts out 260 horsepower. There's also a 182 horsepower 2.5-liter 4-cylinder. Both are hooked up to a continuously variable transmission, and all-wheel drive is standard. The redesigned Legacy goes on sale this fall. We look forward to buying our own test model to see how Subaru updated this often underappreciated car. For more on sedans, check out consumerreports.org.